What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with Nia Body Kits, and today we're going to be installing the new Nia sides on this Lexus is500. Stay tuned. But first, let me tell you a little bit about the new Nia sides. One, all our kits are made right here in the US in our Miami, Florida factory. Two, we make them out of quality ABS plastic, making them strong and durable for a long-lasting kit. Unlike urethane, ABS can hold its own weight and won't warp with time. Three, we offer them in many finishes like raw black, which means it comes straight out of the machine and might have some scratches, but they are perfect for wraps or the DIYers who know how to paint. We also offer them in primer, which is prepped and shot with a 2K primer and is ready for paint. We also offer them painted, which means you can get them color matched to the color of your vehicle, or you can get a contrast color like a gloss black, satin black, matte black, and now the new F gray, which is similar to your front grille. And you can also get them in Hydro Dip, which is a method of applying carbon fiber print design to our kits and shot with a heavy coat of clear coat. Four, all our kits are designed specifically for each model. We do not copy paste the same design to all the vehicles. Five, we design all our kits to use the factory bolts, pre-drill the holes, and include all the hardware for a smooth and easy installation. And lastly, all our front splitters are reinforced on the bottom, making them strong enough to withstand your common road rash, parking blocks, and daily road encounters. With the purchase of the Nia sides, you're going to receive all your replacement clips and support screws. For this installation, you're going to need a clip remover, a stubby Phillips screwdriver, and we recommend an angle driver for a quicker installation. First things first, we want to wipe down the bottom of the car. Make sure you get rid of any rocks or road debris that you have stuck underneath the bumpers. When doing the installation, always think safety first. If your car is lowered and you're going to jack up your car, always use jack stands for safety. In this case, we're going to be using the angle driver, and we're just going to creep up underneath the car. Now that the car is all wiped down on the bottom, this is when you're going to get a 10mm socket, and you're going to remove the two bolts to remove the factory splash guard underneath. Now that the two factory bolts are removed, this is when you get the clip remover, and you're going to remove the clip to remove the splash guard. Now that the splash guard is removed, you're going to put the factory bolts back on to hold on your wheel well cover. Now that the factory bolts are back in, this is when you're going to remove all the factory bolts that align with the side skirt with your clip remover. Now that all the factory clips are removed, you're going to use the same clip that you removed for the factory splash guard. This time you're going to use it to hold up the Nia side. Now that the back one is holding up the side skirt, use the clips that we provided to you and reinstall them on the same position where you removed the factory clips. Now that the clips are installed, you're going to use the support screw to install it right in the front. Locate the pre-drilled hole, and you're going to self-tap into the factory side skirt. If you're going to use a drill, make sure to drill it halfway. That way you're down over tighten it and strip the side skirt. Now that the screw is in halfway, this is when you get the Phillips screwdriver, and you're going to hand tighten it to make sure not to over tighten and strip the side skirt. Once everything is tight, you are good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus is500. If you have any questions, comment below. We'll always get back to everybody. Thanks again, guys. you.